The DRDO Rustom is a medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned air vehicle, UAV, being developed by Defense Research and Development Organization for the three services, Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force of the Indian Armed Forces. India's Defense Research and Development Organization successfully completed the test flight of its Rustom-2 drone at the Aeronautical Test Range on February 25, 2018. So here we take a look at top 5 points. Number 5. Introduction. The drone was developed for use by all three services of the Indian Armed Forces, primarily for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR, operations. The medium-altitude prototype can fly at over 22,000 feet and is a long-endurance, male, UAV that has an approximate flight time of 20 hours. Number 4. Variants. There will be 3 variants of the Rustom UAV: 12 Rustom I, tactical UAV with endurance of 12 hours, based on NAL's LCRA, Rustom H, larger UAV with flight endurance of over 24 hours which will have completely different design from Rustom 1, higher range and service ceiling than Rustom 1. Rustom 2, an unmanned combat air vehicle based on Rustom H model. It is often compared with Predator drones by Indian scientists and media. Number 3. Technology. The range of advanced technologies and systems include the following 10 aerodynamic configurations: high aspect ratio wing, composite airframe integrated with propulsion system, de-icing system for wings, highly reliable systems with built-in redundancy for flight critical systems like flight control and navigation, data links, power management, and mission critical payload management system, digital flight control and navigation system, automatic takeoff and landing, ATOL, digital communication technologies for realizing data links to control and operate the mission and relay UAVs payloads with high resolution and precision stabilized platforms. Number 2. General characteristics. It can fly at around 280 km per hour and carry a variety of payloads like medium-range electro-optic, MREO, long-range electro-optic, LREO, synthetic aperture radar, SAR, electronic intelligence, ELINT, communication intelligence, COMINT, and situational awareness payloads, SAP, that help in performing missions even during the night. MREO and LREO sensors are placed inside a modular payload under the nose for capturing imagery and video. Rustom-2 can fly missions on manual as well as autonomous modes. The onboard waypoint navigation system allows the drone to conduct missions autonomously. The 2 NPO Saturn MT turboprop engines are fitted under the wings and produce over 450 kg force thrust each. Number 1. International reactions. Pakistan voiced its concern over the development of sophisticated drone technology by India, describing it as worrying. Foreign Office spokesman Mohammad Faisal of Pakistan said India's development of drone technology is worrying when seen in the larger context of its build-up and expansion of military capabilities in the conventional and non-conventional domains, which are subjecting regional strategic stability to increasing strain.